Hey guys, welcome back to this vlog. It's been a minute. Hanashin's our vlog. No, we just talk mega you know, it was the routine, you know. You normally routine. Now. You know what I'm saying? So hey guys, let's pause. So currently editing this vlog and I just realized that I lost the footage of the intro. So let me give you a live intro right now. So this vlog is gonna be about sorry guys, my lips are dry. This vlog is gonna be about celebrating my fiance's birthday and our 5 years of moving in together. Yeah, that's it. Just like last year, I pampered myself, but anyways, you're gonna see that. I bought myself a new plant, as you saw. Was feeling a little down, so I was like, I need a plant. This plant's gonna make me feel much better. I don't know, there's something about me feeling anxious or down, and I buy myself a new plant. So far, the collection, So yeah, just wanted to say that I'm very happy to be back with the vlog. By the way, we are in April right now. It's a late vlog. Let me use this time to stand with my Rwandans and in these hard times, you know, commemorating the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, which is not easy, especially for people who lost their loved ones or people who survived. And yeah, this is just a part of history that will just stay with us forever, I guess. No matter how we try to move on, no matter, I don't care if you were born after the 1994 genocide, it's part of us, and it's important that we remember. That way we don't take these things, you know, lightly, because it's a pretty big deal. You know, it's something that we don't want to see ever again. So never again. So yeah, that's it for the intro, and let me let you guys enjoy the vlog, and yeah, see ya. Good morning. Don't mind my messy hair. I'm planning to you know, give myself, you know, a cute look today. I hope I can do that. We'll see that later. I don't remember the last time I checked in with you guys for the vlog, but today is a new day, and listen, tomorrow is officially the 16th, the birthday, but because it's in the middle of the week, it will be on Thursday. We will be both at work working, so we're not doing anything tomorrow, but this weekend we're doing some. Especially, I don't know if you know this, but if you are an OG on this channel, you know that his birthday is also the same date that it's our anniversary of moving in together. So we celebrate us as well. Okay, anyways, so Bay is on board. He is aware that this weekend is gonna be a very special weekend, that we will try to have fun as a couple. But I just want to show you something, okay? Don't judge. Oh my god. So I'm trying to pick an outfit for him because I want him to look as I want. I'm not good at styling people. So I'm trying his outfit that I picked for him on me. Oh my god, guys. Please don't judge. Do you think he's gonna like this look? I can't deal with myself. Like, do you think he's gonna like this look? Huh? Because I want us to, match each other's outfits. So I'll be wearing gold as well, gold, black, I don't know, something like that. I didn't really like, wear it like officially. Anyways, nobody knows that I wore it, but on social media, like for instance, like I don't have a picture of that outfit, so I'm like, I can wear it again. So I want him to match my vibe. So I'm not good at styling people, so I tried it on myself. How does it look on a man? I'm not sure. Listen, I don't have his shoulders, and so this is like guys, what do you think? Do you think he's gonna like it? I don't know. Oh God, help. Good evening, guys. We are still on the same day. Today was very crazy. It went by so fast. I didn't get to do my hair because Babe convinced me to contact my hairstylist, somebody that does my hair every other year. I don't really go to her a lot often, but she's great. She's my neighbor, so, and I will see her on Saturday morning. And I hope she does it very fast, because I had plans on Saturday morning to set everything up, but it's okay. I think it's a great idea to let a professional do my hair once in a while, even though I like to do it myself, but sometimes, it's okay to let people pamper you a little bit, to get pampered. So this is what I got. I got some kinky hair, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah. What else? I went downtown and looked around some shops, trying to find any idea of a gift for Babe. But this year, I'm really not giving him any special crazy gifts, because I don't know why. I'm not imagining of something that he needs, like really, like and yeah. I don't know. I don't know. We will see how it goes. But he clearly told me that he really wants to celebrate with me, because it's a special, that special anniversary that I told you guys of moving in together. That's what he is really putting, as a priority first. I feel like I want to take a bath with him. I don't know why, but it's been a minute. It's been years since we've taken a bath together. So I want to take a bath with my fiance. Sorry. I want to take a bath with my fiance. I don't know why I have this need. I don't know, but I feel like I need a bath with him. I don't know why. We often shower together, but it's been a long time since we've, had a bath together. I don't know why. And I went to Zara and I bought myself this little top. I hope it matches my outfit for Saturday. I'm not sure. I loved how it's open. It has an open back, but I'm not sure if it goes with what I want to wear. I will try it later and see if it really goes together. Otherwise, I will go and pick another one, or just wear the usual stuff I have in here. Okay, I really do want to look cute this weekend, so I really hope it works out. And yeah, that's it. That's all for today. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, I have work. So I don't think that I'll give you guys any update, but we'll see each other probably on Saturday. Yes, stay tuned. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, this is the day that we were waiting for. Okay, we are on Saturday. Your girl is a mess. This whole apartment is a mess, and I want to fix this. And Bae just left to go to the gym and go to get a new haircut, okay? But usually this was the time for me to fix everything, so to set everything up. But I also have to go to get my hair done, so I really have a little time, like an hour. I only have like an hour. Like, it's crazy. An hour is not enough. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna try my best. I really don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. I'm just hoping that Bae, takes his time and get late and get back here very late, and at the point that I wish that by the time I finish getting my hair done, I come back home and he's still not here to buy me some time. Do you understand? This is how late I am. Anyways, I slept in because I'm not feeling well. I'm kind of sick. At work, some people tested positive to COVID. Am I COVID positive? Maybe we'll test myself on Monday. But anyways, I'm not feeling good. But listen, I took some medication and the headache was really heavy. Like, I had a crazy headache, but I'm feeling much better. I slept in because I needed it. But now I'm regretting it because I don't have time. Anyways, peace out. Stay tuned. Dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion. Up next, you guys, I'm setting up this Netflix and chill area. This is very much our favorite spot to relax. And then adding the cushions, all the cushions from the couch, adding them here. Yeah, this is the vibe. My appointment to the hairdresser is like in 30 minutes. Luckily for me, she lives just across the street, so she is not far, but still, I wish I had more time, y'all. I really do. But it is what it is. It's the thought that counts. The thought counts. That's it. It's not how expensive or how crazy you go. It's all in the thought, right? Whew. I guess I will show you guys the finishing results after. Up next, I have this kitchen that's a whole mess, but I've already cleaned up the most part. I got some dishes to do, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do them right now. Washing dishes is actually Bae's contribution to the kitchen. So even if it's his birthday weekend, he can still wash dishes. Okay. No, but I don't have time to do it right now, so. Do you guys know this viral thing with cards and your partner picking one, or the person that you are playing it with picking, like one of the two cards, and that's the activity or the thing that you're going to do? I want to try this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna know what to propose, but I have some little cards, so we're gonna see if I get time to get that creative. Okay, I wanted to buy flowers, but I didn't have time, as you can tell. But I have a new vase from Maison 123. Oh, this vase is everything. So they gifted it to me for my birthday on Christmas. When Bae decides to buy me some clothes, he always goes to Maison 123, and that's where the dress that I was wearing when we got engaged was bought from. And many like cute and classy outfits that I have are from Maison 1, 2, 3. So they gifted me this vase. But I don't have flowers, but we're gonna leave it here in the center. No problem. No problem. It's still cute with or without flowers. Okay. What time is it? Oh my God.
No. 2,000 years later.
Viens d'abord par ici. Ça c'est pour toi, belle. Pour nous, on va dire. De rien. Bah, mais surtout. Bon, ça c'est pour ton anniversaire. Bah, tu vois déjà ce que c'est, mais tu peux ouvrir. Mais on va on a dit iyo sabuze ahantu ni hamwe gusa wibagiwe ko isa yawe yapfuye ugava ku kazi utaka ngo ngomba kujya hepfo iriya gushaka indi. J'ai pas trouvé la même couleur.
Non, ben ça bien.
Ubushize wari wabigerageje kugira ngo irege cyangwa niwe wayikoreye. Bon, nari kumusaba kwishyira ku gihe.
Ufite sangahe?
Ubu njye mfite saa...
Love
you. Saa 9:11. Attention, izi ni izo gusohokana, ntabwo ari izo kujyana ku kazi, kujyana muri siporo. Ujye ureba ukuntu ugira n'izo kurimba, s'il te plaît. Ça te va très bien, mais essaie avec une couleur. Noir ou rigicara, c'est normal que bijyana nawe, mais...
J'aime bien ma couleur.
Oui, vous n'êtes pas limpi, mais avoir une petite couleur aussi, c'est bien de temps en temps. Tu vois, ntabwo nagiye mu bintu bihambaye. C'est tout. Kugira ngo umenye porogaramu y'uyu munsi rero. Muri make. Aha niho ugiye kuyimenyera. Iri muri utu dupapuro. Biraterwa n'utwo uhitamo. Nitwo dukurikiza.
Urabona ko kuryama muhamwe ibyo.
Ko kuryama si byo ni iki?
Nta dusomye kandi twari turi hariya.
On va commencer par le début. Urahitamo akahe muruta? Ngiye nk'ukonseye.
Ok. Non mais c'est moi qui choisis, non?
Oui, mais il faut que bigwa mu byo
konsera ntabwo ari
aho umenya ko ntabikonse ko ndi urakurura nange kurekura
no ubwo siko ni ugufumbuza.
Ok, babe, s'il te plaît, coopère.
Non.
Coopère.
Sinon t'aurais pas dû faire ça.
Oui. Akambere kantu ibindi ukora ibyo ushaka basi, sibyo? Akambere kurikiza icyo nshaka. Non.
Nshaka kumenya icyo kintu rero juste.
À la fin byose ndabikwereka toute façon. À la fin byose ndabikwereka.
N'importe.
Ah oui. Bon, il dit elle est juste l'autre moyen plus rapide. Ça t'attend.
Ok.
Ok. Ariko byaba byiza ugendeye muri
Non.
Ah oui. Bon, nidusohoka aho tugenda twajyanishije. Iyi ni teni non assorti.
Bon, j'aurais pu.
C'est bien.
Putain.
C'est bien.
Putain, j'aurais dit.
Bah c'est pas grave, si on a le temps, on peut faire autre chose, mais t'as choisi. Eh ben, nous tricher.
Ah ouais, oui. Mais quoi j'ai mangé ça?
Mais
Quoi?
Mais batoya kandi.
Non.
Mais kuko kandi akandi tugahoramo. S'il te plaît, tora kandi kuko kandi on le fait très souvent.
C'est pas grave. C'est pourquoi tu l'as noté alors?
Ok, vas-y. Non, je veux pas ça. Non.
C'était quoi ça? Non, c'est que ça diable dans la même journée.
Eh, on a toute l'après-midi et la soirée.
Bon.
Ni muri chronologie de byose. Ibyo byose ni muri chronologie.
Quand il y a bien chose.
Ouais, mais quand même, hari aho tugomba kujya. Eh non. Ibi ntabyo ukunda babe, je te connais ntabwo ukunda. Bon, à la fin, ibyo nibirangira. Tu préfères rentrer à la maison ou rester dans le centre? Pourquoi on va travailler à les restos?
Pas dans le centre.
T'aimes bien rentrer à la maison,
ah, oui, mais tu l'as noté, elle est bien naïf. Moi, j'assume ce que j'ai choisi. Mais apparemment, toi, tu n'assumes pas ce que tu as noté.
Mais nous, comment tu as des trucs en tête? Comme ça, il n'y aura pas de surprise au moins.
Bon, merci beaucoup.
C'est pas encore fini.
Qui c'est qui paye tout ça? Je veux bien savoir aussi.
Bah, toi et moi.
Oh la vache.
Voilà ce qu'on dit, on peut me faire bano waba wabigendeyemo kuko itariki urabizi ko bref itariki me
itariki ni yawe.
Ah bon? None nimba yanjye kuki utahisemo amakarita nakubwira ngo uhitemo. En plus nimba ariyo wapanze uyu munsi wowe uyu munsi ntabwo wawupanze.
La question ni wowe wabitishijemo.
Oui, mais iyo nakwinfluensaga.
Ntabwo il faut pas. Icyo ntabwo witishamo.
Il faut juste jouer le jeu. Non, mais c'est pas grave. Bon, dès que tu es prêt, on commence au programme.
Non, déjà. Non, déjà.
Non, déjà, d'accord. Ouais, bien.
Nishakira izina rijya gusa.
What is this?
nko muri box umuntu wamaze gushyira barter
ntabwo wemerewe kumukubita rindira ko yongera guhaguruka twinjirira aha turebe uri kubibura ntabwo umuvuru mukozi arafuza sabe yabirandi idero est déjà wowe uhari que le weekend
pero autant merci beaucoup autant yo kugumana iyo ntuza siko kazayisohora nuzuye ndumva ntari kubasha ndumva cyama nkasura mbega cyangwa nkatura nk'umuntu umwuka ugasohoka
Battery 60%. Connected to iPhone 7 and iPhone 2.
sekutambwiye ko wabonye style yanjye ese nari kubyibwira
kandi ngomba bateguye byose turabo niba bamukuriye ntari
none ndi kuvuga ibyo ngewe nambaye
c'est joli
What about you?